Okay, so today I'll be reviewing a Lego set. And the Lego set from the Jungle Mania series, I'm pretty sure it's called. You can see right there, it's a helicopter. And this comes with a female pilot in this set. It came with like this brick Bionid 1B with it was a spare one and I took it off. And the propeller. Yeah. And the back one. That one's quite hard to spin. Doesn't stay for that long. And we have the Jeep. It came with extra little settings and everything looks like it's a two-stepper. And this is like a box that the train I really like this type of Jeep. I like the design how they put that black bar on the front and the back and the two red lights for there and two white lights for there. And the mini figure, if I can get it off, is this poo. Oh yeah, the handles just came off. Those new handles. That back on and now we just got the train. And there's one new model of the train. I like these models much better than the others. And we can do this. That's the treasure right there. And this guy goes on his Jeep drive. And he puts that inside of the curtain. Then the helicopter is like string with a hook on it. You can see that the crank is and it comes with this tree that you make. I really like how they put inside a small temple. Oh yeah, I'll just show you the mini she has like a visor. It comes with two of them. And this guy has like these warps and a walkie-talkie and other things on his like body piece now. And she has like a parachute costume or whatever you say. Okay, and the crank is used for carrying the treasure to like the base or something, I'm not sure. But the different set in the series, it's like this truck. I don't have that set. I only have like this small one and this big and this one. Got this from Sainsbury's. And I'm not sure. I like to put like one of my Lego dinosaurs behind there, and when I play with it, and one of my Lego figures takes the trophy, it just pops out. They have to fight it. So the helicopter, the crank, it actually takes a while. And you could see here, well, off camera, trying to put the hook on the thing. I'll be back in a minute. Yeah, you can see here that it's holding the box. I really like how they put that hook on it. It just flies away to like the base. Didn't mean to put the tablet there. Okay, that's the set. That's the set. Bye.